The best app for reading PDF books on Android. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you the best app for reading PDF books, easy and fast. So all what you have to do is just go to Play Store and go to the top in the search bar and search for PDF books like this, and now enter. Click on Vidiq. This app is the best one. As you can see, it has more than 10 million downloads and it's also easy to use. You can read PDF from here, easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end.